Today I'm going to be doing a little shopping at Ross and the warehouse shoe sale. I am looking for some shoes for Sebastian and I, some everyday shoes. So I'm going to see if I find any deals at Ross. Last time I did find some, but they didn't have it in his size. So I want to see if this other Ross has them. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I find, then please keep watching.
Sugar Rush.
Wow. Yeah, let's see.
That went right through me.
Wow.
I am all up, and I like warm hugs.
Okay guys, so the line at Ross was ridiculous. I ended up finding some shoes for him. Yeah. But the line was really long, so I ended up just leaving, and I am at the warehouse shoe sale, so I'm gonna check out some shoes for both of us. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go meet up with my parents. They are at Redondo Beach Pier. So we're gonna go have dinner with them at El Torito.
I wonder if they caught anything.
Maybe they did.
I'm gonna go fishing. Huh? Oh, bird.
Oh, it's bird.
It's a plane.
People are fishing now. Yes, I am, girl. Wanna say hi?
Oh, goddamn, it's cold.
So cold, he's not even moving. He doesn't even want to get off and run.
Si se
My
cansa lo agarro
parents?
ahorita.
My mom said, let me put him down. He said, hell no, Grandma. I'm staying right here. Before all this used to be wood, but it actually burned down, so they turned it into cement. Yeah. When we were little, we've been coming here for years, guys. When we were little, this was still wood. Maybe. One more and we win, guys. Ooh, one more and we win a puppy. One more and we win a puppy. Boo! Boo! He's not giving up. He's won 5. We just need one more. Ready? Aww. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Whoa. Are we gonna get it? No! We get a puppy!
The little white one. The wolf, yeah.
Look, Papa, you get a wow.
Thank you. For you. That's for you.
You don't want it? You didn't like it? Nope, he didn't like it. He didn't like it.